Hey everybody, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing from, I got a couple Lisle products from Amazon, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so the previous video I gave the pricing on my phone and what I paid for them, what their normal price and what the normal price and what the price I got was. These are Lisle, part number 32150. I bought one of these like about 2.5 months ago, maybe 2 months ago. I put it in the orange cart. I looked everywhere. I couldn't find it. So I just purchased 2 more. I ended up getting like $8 off. So this was for these 2, it was $20 and 70 something cents instead of the 26 something dollars. It's a power and ground outlet. Provides convenient electrical ground and power source from the vehicle dash. And it's basically these guys right here. 12 volt plugs. I was trying to recover the battery on this. I did recover the battery. Said it was a bad battery. I got it to charge, but it's not holding a charge, so I'm gonna have to replace the battery in this. But it's just an example. You can plug it into something like that and then use this for power and ground if you wanted to. Some vehicles have the 12 volt plugs, cigarette lighter adapter plugs, whatever you guys want to call them. Some vehicles have them in the front, the rear seats, second row. Some vehicles also have them if next to the third row seats and in the cargo bay area. My vehicles have them in the center dash, as well as the second, third, and cargo area for my Excursion, and my 4Runner has it in the front, the second row seats behind the front seats, as well in the cargo area. So I'm just gonna cut this open real quick. Okay. Looks like there's little rubber caps on here to let you know which one is which. They're just brass posts. Also looks like this is a little light bulb. Yeah, it's a little halogen light bulb, probably to let you know that there's power. Instructions: insert plug into cigarette lighter receptacle. The dash plug can now be used as an electrical ground or power source. Connect clip to the positive terminal for power or negative for ground. Plastic caps are installed to prevent accidental shorting of terminals. Do not remove. Not much information on them. Picked up 2. When I find the other one, I'll end up having 3. Looks like the posts can be removed. You can remove the nut on the bottom. I assume if you need to fix them. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. Appreciate your guys' time, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.